My name's Richard Taverner. I'm from BTA Ltd. We're an IT service provider based in southwest London. We've been going 21 years, originally founded by myself and my CTO Scott.
I'm Scott Bartlett. I'm a director and senior consultant here at BTA. I've been here from the start.
Backup and disaster recovery has to be one of the most important areas in our business, especially now.
Oddly enough, backup solutions have always been a bit of a problem for us in that different solutions have different features, different requirements, different strengths and different weaknesses, and no one thing has filled all the gaps.
We came up with a system where we could use StorageCraft and network attached storage devices to provide us with an online backup service. And this is something that we replicated throughout our customer base.
We had one incident which wasn't particularly a catastrophe or a major disaster, but it was one in the making, when a fairly new client came to us with basically a box on legs. It was an old server, it was dying, it wasn't going to survive. It was basically their only machine. They were quite a little tiny customer, but everything is in this one place. We looked at it, preferably not with abject horror, but we looked at it and realised we needed to do something quite quick, and basically in order to save their lives, as it were, and make sure that we avoided a catastrophe, we used Shadow Protect to take effectively a one-time backup of that server, carted over to a new hardware platform, used the hardware independent restore to bring it all back up again, did all this preempting possible issues happening with their old server, and basically migrated them to the new one, and then took the old server offline. Got them out of a hole or a potential hole that could have taken them down. And things like that just make life so much easier when you can just rock up to a machine, take a copy of it, put it somewhere else, not even on the same machine. We could have sent it to a virtual platform somewhere. We sent in this particular case to another piece of physical hardware, just a brand new server for them, and they were up and running again.
The software combined with the medium gives us the ability to get data back faster, and that then makes a massive difference to us. It lowers the amount of time that we're involved in restoring the data.
And we definitely recommend it and use it to our clients. StorageCraft has benefited us in two ways. One is as a solution, very easy to deploy, very robust, allows us to be much more flexible with things like backup and creating the policies and disaster recovery plans that clients need that actually meet their needs. And on the flip side, StorageCraft works very well as a partner for us. It's surprising how as an MSP it can be difficult sometimes to work with key vendors, to understand their products, to present them to clients, to gain the support that we need, and the partnership, to have a good partnership working. And StorageCraft gives that to us where many other vendors don't.